Hello everyone, it's nice to see you all again. How you all doing? Um, Last time we did a 3D model of a cover, and today we're going to add the finishing touches. So first of all, I will share my screen with you all, and we can proceed from there. Share this, and share. Okay, so I feel you guys now can see my screen. So this is our 3D model, the cover, which you can get by open it where you saved it. For me, I saved it in my documents, NX, and over here, cover one. So I just click on it and it will automatically open over here. So looking on the 2D sketch, we're required to make holes. So there should be there should be 6 of them with a 9 diameter. So there are many ways of making this, and my favorite way of doing this is by creating an offset, then in making an intersection point and making a pattern around the cover, around the line. So let's begin. So we can find, so this normally you have the home section, but we'll go over to curve. And here in curve, we have what we call offset in phase. If you have like you just newly installed your NXMN and you cannot find this function, you can always type search over here. Just put offset, sorry, offset, and you can find it here. Offset in phase. There's also offset in curve, offset 3D curve. And if you want to customize it to add it to the bar, you can come to customize over here and you can type offset. So when you type it, you just left click, drag, and drop it where you want it to be. So yeah. So anyways, first we double click and we select the curve we want to offset. Now, based on how it looks on the 2D sketch, we have the curved line on this longer part of the cover. So what I'm trying to say is that we're going to offset this part. So we click on it like this, and we have to click the plane where we want the line to be. So we click on this plane. Now we have to know the diameter, the distance required for the line to be placed correctly on the plane. So we look at the sketch, 130, and the total is 150. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to subtract this number from this number. So 150 minus 130, 20. So I'll put it like, or sorry. So we just put 10. I think there's in the section. Yeah, we'll just put 10, and we can put show results, and we can see, and then we click apply, and we have made an offset in this. Okay, then we come to point, create point. Now over here we have to click intersection point. Here we select the object and we select the curve, and a point has been created for us, so we click OK. Now remember there are 6 holes that we need to make, so we go back to home and we click on pattern feature. So there are steps on how to fulfill the criteria. So first of all, we have to select the feature we want to pattern. So we select the point. Select it. We specify the vector. We want it to be, sorry, we want it to be on the plane. So we select it on, and then selecting point. And then we put count and pitch. So we want 6 of them at an angle of, so results. Yeah. 6 of them at an angle of 60 degrees, like 360 divided by 6, so that it's evenly distributed. So we press OK. So after we press OK, then comes the final step, which is creating the hole. So we click on this option, and it's a simple hole with just a diameter 9 millimeters. Now we have to specify point. So what do? We select each point that we have patterned. And we change the direction of the vector. No, we don't need pulling, none. And we click apply. Okay, because we didn't click to subtract, it generally produced the hole to be extended. So we can put to subtract here. Okay. So now we have made our hole. Hooray. So thank you all for watching and following my tutorial. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comment section. And if you have anything you want to model, you can ask me and we can do it together. So have a nice day and goodbye.